Ever made a purchase only to realize later it wasn't quite what you expected? Or maybe the service wasn't delivered as promised. Frustrating, right? Well, today we're diving into the world of chargebacks, specifically how they work within the Raiz investment platform. For those unfamiliar, Raiz is an automated micro-investing platform that allows you to invest spare change from everyday purchases. It's a fantastic way to build wealth gradually, but like any financial platform, it's essential to understand the potential for unexpected events. So, what exactly is a chargeback? In simple terms, it's a process where you dispute a transaction with your bank or credit card company. This happens when you believe the merchant, in this case, the company that processed your Raiz investment, has unfairly charged you. Now, let's get specific to Raiz. Here are some common reasons why you might initiate a chargeback. Unauthorized transactions. This could happen if your account was compromised and someone made unauthorized investments without your consent. Duplicate charges. You might notice multiple charges for the same investment, which could be a system glitch or a fraudulent activity. Goods or services not received. While unlikely with Raiz, as you're investing in assets, not physical goods, it's crucial to understand this possibility. Fraudulent activity. If you suspect your Raiz account has been involved in fraudulent activity, a chargeback can help recover your funds. Now, let's talk about how the chargeback process might work with Raiz. Contact Raiz support. The first step is to contact Raiz customer support immediately. Explain the issue clearly and provide any necessary documentation, screenshots, transaction history, etc. Investigation. Raiz will investigate the issue thoroughly. This may involve reviewing your account activity, communicating with relevant parties, and potentially conducting an internal audit. Resolution. Depending on the outcome of the investigation, Raiz may resolve the issue internally. They might reverse the transaction, credit your account, or make necessary adjustments. Work with you on a resolution. They might offer a compromise or explore alternative solutions. Advise you to file a chargeback. If the issue cannot be resolved internally, Raiz may advise you to file a chargeback with your bank. Time limits. There are usually time limits for filing a chargeback. It's crucial to act promptly to ensure your claim is valid. Impact on your Raiz account. While a chargeback can help recover funds, it's essential to understand that it could also impact your Raiz account. This might include temporary account restrictions or potential account closure in extreme cases. Alternative dispute resolution. Before resorting to a chargeback, explore alternative dispute resolution methods, such as mediation or arbitration. Chargebacks can be a complex process, and it's always best to try and resolve issues directly with the platform first. Raiz has a customer support team dedicated to assisting users with any concerns. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.